Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video we'll be talking about dining tables. And I have two dining tables. One is a 12-seater, one is a 10-seater. They are big units, and if you are looking for bigger sets, heavier sets, these units may be considered. I'll show you the differences, the finish, the design part, what is the basic designing pattern we have, and how it works. All the information in this video. I'll start with this one. This is a 12-seater dining set, and it has got 5, and 2 master chairs, or we can say king and queen chairs also. King and queen or master chairs have handles. As you can see here, it has got handles. Another thing different in this particular design is in the master chair, we have got a complete carved back. And if you see the other chair, it has got cushion design. Though we have carving on the top as well, I'll put it close and you can see from here. We do have the carving design, so it's double carved unit already, but the back design is different to distinguish or separate the master chair from the other set, and that is why we have a design at the back. Now we'll move on to the dining table and you can see the overall design. Now, if you look at the dining table here, it will require a glass on top of it because we have got carving everywhere on the top of the pillars as well, the center pillars, and on the sides. So once we place the glass on top of it, it's ready for use. And the design, a 360-degree carved pillar in the middle. We have got 2 pillars, and look at the design of the pillar here. One of the heaviest pillar designs in dining table, and not just a pillar, it's a curved design. In fact, this is from an Egyptian catalog, and overall the work that you see is one of the top designs across the globe in dining tables. Though the work is Indian, the artisans who have made this are Indians, handmade, hand carved, and the painting, polishing, the cushion work, everything is done right here in our factory and is now going to US or India. This one is going to Bangalore. I'll move on to this one also. US, India, or 55 countries we are delivering to. Anywhere you are, we are home delivering the stuff at best prices, making the top quality, top designer furniture in required colors, required fabric, required sizes, everything as per the choice of the client, as per your interior designer's innovation, their thoughts, as per your architect dreams. A lot of designers, lot of architects have given us this compliment that this is what I dreamt of. I thought, I imagined, I dreamed about making this beautiful something like this, and you have done it. You have provided, you have turned my dream into reality, and thousands of pictures on the website from the testimonial section, the real pictures from the clients' homes. When once they have received the stuff, they have placed it, sent the pictures back to us with the blessings, with the love, and that is amazing, really amazing. Let's move on to the other dining now. I'll put this one back. Okay, and this one here is a 10-seater dining. Again, one of the heaviest designs in dining sets, and the chair work, if you see alone, you will get to see the master artisans, the work, the amazing work of artisans that is done right here. You can match it with any country you want, and you will find our quality, teak wood, finishing, the cushion quality much better, in better prices, better quality, and better artisan work. I'll show you the chair again from the front. Also, it's a master chair, full teak wood, and it's a heavy chair. The front. Here is the back design. A beautifully crafted unit. The curves, the design, the carving, everything is quite visible. It's in honey gloss finish, teak wood, and a beautiful fabric as chosen by the client again. Everything that you see here in our showroom, everything that you see in 1400 videos on YouTube, thousands of pictures on our website, everywhere, when you see Aarsun there, it is as per client's choice because we make it as per your liking. Moving on to the dining table, if you see here, let's see the dining table, another masterpiece, Another master crafting skills. Let's see the pillar alone, the pillar underneath we have, and it will give you the idea what Aarsun does. A 360-degree fully carved solid wood pillar. It's a solid wood pillar. It's not hollow, it's not resin, it's not fiber. This is solid teak wood, and we have got three pillars for the entire set. This one is 11 feet by 5 feet wide, and once you place the glass on top of it, it'll be ready for use. I forgot to mention the dimension of this dining. This one is 11 feet by 4.5 feet as required by the client, and the sizes are given by the client himself. They wanted a particular size, we have created it. So to summarize, size, design, color, fabric, everything as per your choice, and delivery to your home in India or to 55 countries we are already delivering to, or any other country you are in where we can deliver, where services are available, we can deliver to your home. And lastly, about the prices, we are a manufacturer, one of the top manufacturers across the globe in royal furniture, designer furniture, handmade furniture, real solid wood furniture, and we are delivering right to your home. Manufacturer and the end user, there is no trader, commission agent, no person who takes extra margin, so you get always get the best price from Aarsun. We are in a small city, our expenses are quite less, that's why the prices we provide are the best across the globe. So choose your design. Let us know what you want as per your interior designer, as per your architect, as per what they have designed or what you have liked. We'll make it and deliver to your home right at your doorstep at factory prices. For any questions, please contact us. The number is right here. Thank you. Dhanyavad.